Brand24 is powered by AI, and our R&D team are always working on new ways to improve data analysis and make insights even more valuable. Some features are only available in higher plans, but if you want to test any of them, just let our customer success manager know. We'll be happy to turn them on for you. So let's dive in and check out a few of these AI-driven solutions. First up, AI Brand Assistant. Think of it as ChatGPT's smarter cousin, built specifically for media monitoring. Instead of shifting through mentions manually, just ask questions like, how's my project performing? Or what areas need improvement? And it will instantly analyze your data and provide clear, actionable insights.
AI Brand Assistant is great for brand insights, competitor analysis, and market research. It detects patterns you might otherwise miss and visualizes key trends with easy-to-understand charts. You can also use it directly in the Mentions tab. Just click Summarize with AI in the right menu, and it will instantly break down your project for you.
Next, let's talk about topic analysis.
This AI-driven feature groups project mentions by topics, helping you see the bigger picture. It shows how your keyword performs with specific topics and provides a detailed analysis of each. Image scanning through thousands or even hundreds of thousands of online mentions in seconds, effortlessly spotting trends, emotions, and key themes. That's the power of topic analysis. It's also useful for removing irrelevant mentions. If you notice a topic that doesn't align with your interest, you can block it. This ensures that future mentions categorized under that topic won't appear in your feed, keeping your data clean and relevant. Now, let's go deeper into AI Insights, which we briefly mentioned earlier. This feature analyzes your projects, identifies trends, and offers recommendations for future actions based on what has worked in the past. It's particularly helpful for marketers juggling multiple brands or those tracking competitors, because while you may know your brand inside and out, keeping up with competitors can be a challenge. AI Insights summarizes key findings and draws conclusions for you, making decision-making easier. These insights come in both weekly and monthly reports, available in your Brand24 panel and inbox. You can also adjust the delivery day and add additional recipients, so the right people always stay informed.
To explore all of Brand24's AI features, check out the articles below.